How to install Fire Kirin APK manually on Android. First of all, open your preferred browser and search for Fire Kirin by Penysoft. Next, scroll down in the search results until you find the official Play Store link for Fire Kirin. Then tap on it to open. After the Play Store page is open, tap the install button to start downloading the app. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once installed, open the Fire Kirin app from your home screen or app drawer. Log in with your account details or create a new account if you are a new player. By installing Fire Kirin from the Play Store, it ensures you get the latest official version with all updates and security features. Now you know how to install Fire Kirin APK manually on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.